Saka comrade maendere ku match.
Varaga. Kumaji. Uro ofenda uchimacha. Unochi matire. Isusu batakaita zvehondo izvi Varaga. We did it for a purpose. Taita for a purpose zvinhu izvi. Kwete kungoti tucha. Izvo pato nemahunga. Yekuti pane munhu afenta. Kufenta. Munhu afendera pachicken asi vanhu vanopa maorange. Kana ida maorange unofendera kumbari izvo. Tukujairana munyika umu. Tukujairana. Isusu chatoona kana vanhu vekudairiboard vachinja ma-ingredients enati squirrel. Ndopatichaenda toti hatichada ende hatichahla. Otherwise ungomacha. Welcome to News and Quarter tonight. We are the guys that bring you the news that you really want to hear, the news that you will never get anywhere else. And this week we're talking about cheating. News and Quarter tonight has the exclusive reason as to why your husband is probably cheating. Nyaya ya HUFAMBI veduwe. Nyaya inonetsa. And number one reason, the one thing that would threaten a man's faithfulness is a full tank of fuel. I know most of you are going like, huh? Let me explain. Kana munhu akadarikidza pahafu petank kuzadza kuti ta. Suspicious. Yato problem. Because when you have a full tank of fuel, you start thinking dating vasikana vemudunhu renyu is the waste of a potential. Roko ringe richingovava kuvava nekuda kuchinja magiya. Unongonzvoda unonyengera kunana bulawayo kunana nyama panda.
We on? Yo, Jesse Parker here. So, a couple weeks ago, man was chilling on the timeline, minding his own business like I do. And my mentions are going bare crazy. And I'm like, what's going on? And I hear that I've been called a fuckboy. Brother of destruction. So I'm like, what? So I feel like today is a good day for me to address these issues. So I prepared a press statement to prove my innocence. If you allow me. I, Jesse Parker, hereby announce that I've quit being a member of the fellowship. I renounce the fellowship in all my previous ways. I apologize for all the chest pains my beard may have caused. I also apologize on behalf of all the Yoruba men out there. I now dedicate my entire life to the sole purpose of bringing joy and upliftment to the girl child. Psych. Shit. Going on deal with you.
Really? But why? Like, what if this was all I could afford? Are you sure?
Iwe? Nomuwane zvinhu zvawatenga zvinodhizivakisa. Nomuwane zvinhu mabanana akabhuya. Zvinhu zvawatenga nomuwane zvinodhizivakisa. Hapana mazana amima kana huni. Inomba. Nomuwane zvinhu zvawatenga zvinodhizivakisa ma. Baba? Kutshuka. Shit.